The next type of transformation that we are going to look at is called a dilation. A dilation is an enlarging or a shrinking of an object using a scale factor. The other thing that makes me think of a dilation is when I go to an optometrist or an eye doctor. An eye doctor sometimes dilates your eyes. He or she will put eye drops in your eyes for the purpose of making your pupil, the black portion of your eyes, larger so that it still stays the shape of a circle, but the circle becomes larger so that he or she can see what is going on the inside of your eyes. So again, a dilation is the enlarging or the reducing of a figure without changing the shape. So your pupils, when the eye doctor dilates them, they just become larger, like I said, so the doctor can see inside your eyes. They don't all of a sudden become triangles, for example. So sometimes with a dilation, you're going to be given points. So the points are what are there in black, and that's what is graphed there in black. And I connected the dots in order. Then it says use a scale factor of 2, and it gives you the coordinate notation. All points start off xy, and then it says 2x, then 2y, which means that I'm making it 2 times as large. So I'm taking each point and I'm multiplying it by the scale factor of 2. So for example, let's say that I am calling this point here A. That corresponds to this point right here, so that would be A prime. But to get to A, that's the point right now at -5, 1. If I was going to apply the transformation notation, that means to get to A prime, I'm taking each point and I'm multiplying it by the scale factor. So I'm multiplying it by the scale factor of 2. So -5 times 2 and 1 times 2. So -5 times 2 is -10, and 1 times 2 is 2. So A prime should be at -10, 2. And A prime is in fact at -10, 2. And I did the exact same thing for all of the 4 or 5 other points to make that same shape, again in red. Notice, though, that the shape of the figure is still the same size, or the same shape, but the size is what has changed. It is now 2 times as large. If your scale factor is less than 1, like if I said use a scale factor of 1/2 instead of 2, if it's less than 1, then that means my figure is going to get smaller. Because if my scale factor was 1/2, it would be half as big, which means it would be half as smaller.